What's good, YouTube? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Tory Lanez, Kelsey Harris, and Megan Thee Stallion. And of course, y'all know that this is day one as it relates to Tory Lanez and this whole trial situation with Megan, right, guys? So the prosecution team actually dropped a bomber today at court, and I'm thinking that Tory Lanez must have been shocked as they release some information as it relates to this whole case, right, guys? And I'm here to give y'all this information. Y'all can let me know what y'all think. Is Tory Lanez done? Is he gonna spend 22 years behind bars? Because he's facing up to 22 years behind bars. So will he get the maximum penalty? How do y'all feel about this? All right, so before I go any further in this topic, guys, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and make sure you turn that notification bell, put it on all. That way you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's get to this article. This way y'all can get an understanding of what's going on as it relates to this Tory Lanez case. All right, so the story is saying Tory Lanez trial, gunshot residue found on both his and Kelsey Harris hands. Tory Lanez felony assault trial begins on Monday morning with the prosecution dropping a bombshell that, contrary to claims by the Canadian singer and his lawyers, he had tested for gunshot residue. Tory, who had pleaded not guilty to 3 felony charges, is facing upwards of 22 years in jail if convicted on the charges. 1 count of assault with semi-automatic strap in a manner to inflict bodily injury, 1 count of carrying a concealed loaded and unregistered strap, and discharging a strap in a grossly negligent manner to cause bodily injury, which was laid last Monday ahead of the trial. At Monday's proceedings, Rolling Stones reported Nancy Dillon reported that Tory's team will open with statements denying that he had shot Megan Thee Stallion in July 2020. The prosecution is claiming that Megan was hit twice in both feet as Lanez shouted, "Dance biatch." Megan Thee Stallion is expected to testify and face Lanez, whom she says is the one who fired the strap. Her ex-best friend Kelsey Harris is also appearing as a prosecution witness in a curious turn of events. Megan has accused Harris of remaining silent and taking $1 million payoff from Lanez not to implicate him. However, there are reports that Harris changed her mind after Lanez's legal team suggested that their case theory is that she was the one who fired the strap that ultimately injured Megan. On Monday morning, Dillon, reporting live from the courtroom, said that evidence revealing that both Lanez and Harris tested positive for gunshot residue. The evidence will be cross-examined later during the trial. The revelation that Lanez tested positive for gunshot residue puts at odds previous reports supported by the Canadian rapper that he had not fired a strap. Months ago, Lanez's bail was revoked after a document from Discovery was leaked to online blogger academics who claimed that the evidence against the rapper was inconclusive. However, it was a DNA test that was inconclusive, the report noted. As for Lanez, he turned up to court with his young son as well as his father. Last year, Lanez's lawyer had filed to dismiss evidence that implicated other defendants. The evidence, including gunshot residue implicating others, is mitigating, if not exculpatory, and casts serious doubt on the claims made by Megan, Pete's document filed by his legal team said. In addition to the scientific evidence, the people are aware witnesses who observed the alleged events also provide information that implicates others. In the meantime, over the last year, much has been said about the case, especially by Megan Thee Stallion, who revealed that Lanez had testified her sorry after the incident. Last week, it was revealed that Lanez's lawyers plan to call Kylie Jenner and Corey Gamble to testify on behalf of Lanez, although no official motions were filed to enter them as witnesses. Wow, guys, what do y'all think? Is Tory Lanez done for? You know, and the weird thing about it, Kelsey Harris, right? I think she was one of them who could actually help Tory Lanez out of this situation. But seeing that she's going to be testifying against Tory Lanez, it kind of puts him in a weird spot, right, guys? Because, I mean, at the end of the day, I'm not going to say I blame her, because I definitely don't blame her. If the defense team was going to try to put me under the bus or throw me under the bus to say I was the one who did it, then I would definitely feel some type of way. So, you know, we'll definitely have to watch and see how this whole case play out, right, guys? But like I asked before, what do y'all think is going to happen as it relates to this whole case? Is Tory Lanez done for? Will he spend 22 years behind bars, or will he get off scotch-free? Do you think that Megan is making up this whole stuff? Do you think they're just trying to, just sing Tory Lanez for whatever reason? Let me know how y'all feel in the comment section, all right? And thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Stay safe. Peace.